My name's Jacob Guy. I work for Torfaen Sports Development and I run the For Dads by Dads programme. Programme's a free 10-week programme in which new and expectant dads can come in and learn about the journey of fatherhood and be supported with other dads in the same position. We cover a range of different topics: perinatal mental health, nutrition, target setting, smoking, gambling, vaping, general mental health, and just support for dad. Just, we're not going to get everything right all the time and we need to go away and learn, but we learn all the time as we're going. So it's just finding your way really and find what works for you, and also just creating a network of dads that feel that they can ask each other questions. We set the WhatsApp group up once they've met initially on the first time. So what we've done now is we've set the WhatsApp group prior to the group starting, so it means it breaks down the barriers with the dads, that they sort of can put a name to the face. It's a real rewarding job seeing, some of the dads come on and gain their confidence, self-belief and know that they can be great dads. It's about us creating a safe space for the dads to make sure that they can come in, talk about anything they want to, and just feel supported and valued and go away and just be the best parent that they can be and the best dad that they can be.
Hi, I'm Michael and I attended the course last year, and I fully recommend it to anyone who was thinking about going to something like this. I thought, why not give it a go? Attended the first one, and then I think I went to pretty much every session I could then. I found it very beneficial for, a lot of different reasons, meeting like-minded dads and people who were in the same, phase of their life with their kids. The breadth of topics and discussions that were covered, and the fact that we had several different guest speakers as well, mixed it up. And there was valuable stuff like the first aid training, which I found, very good, which could literally save your child's life. And it was good to have a space that you knew you could open up in. It doesn't cost you anything apart from a couple of, 2 or 3 hours of your week. I think, that the stuff that you can learn and the experience that you can gain within those few hours will more than pay back.
So my name's Gareth Wall. I work for Torfaen Early Years team. I facilitate the For Dads by Dads programme. The kind of objective for us really is to help dads become more confident fathers, kind of create community, kind of help them to meet other dads, be able to sort of understand fatherhood a little bit more compared to what they did previously, being able to be part of community as well. It's really supportive of them. Absolutely love the group. Favourite part of my week. Thursday night just kind of turned into this sort of dad night really, so kind of being there with a group of dads who are really invested in trying to better themselves and better kind of life for their families is incredibly rewarding. Kind of seeing dads be able to communicate with each other, be able to kind of chat even kind of outside of that space within maybe the WhatsApp group, or the group runs at Pontypool Active Living Centre on a Thursday at 7 p.m. Starts on February the 22nd. You can find out more information through the Torfaen Early Years page or Sports Development page on Facebook or Instagram.